Yo, listen up. Why hearing is caring. Alright folks, let's talk about listening. Yeah, I know, it sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me, it's way more important than you think. Listening is like the secret sauce in relationships. It's what turns a boring convo into a mind-blowing connection. Think about it. When was the last time you felt truly heard? Feels pretty damn good, right? But here's the kicker. Most of us suck at listening. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive into the wild world of listening. Section 1. Level up your ear game. Tricks to become a listening legend. Alright, now that we know why listening is the bee's knees, let's talk about how to do it effectively and make it a habit. Here are some tricks to turn you into a listening legend, someone everyone loves to talk to. First up, the shut your pie hole technique. Revolutionary, I know, but it works wonders. But seriously, the first step to good listening is to stop talking and really focus on the speaker. Try counting to 3 in your head before you speak. This gives you a moment to process. Next, we've got the eye contact, not eye roll method. It's all about genuine engagement. When someone's talking, look at them. Really see them. Just normal human eye contact. No staring contest needed. It shows you're engaged and not secretly planning your grocery list or daydreaming. Here's a pro tip. Use the parrot. Don't pirate strategy. It's a game changer. Instead of stealing the conversation, repeat back what the person said. It shows you're listening. Lastly, embrace the power of the Curious George approach. Curiosity is key. Ask questions that show you're really interested. This makes the conversation richer and more meaningful. Section 2. Zip it and win it, the perks of being all ears. Alright folks, we're in the home stretch. By now you should be convinced that listening is cooler than a polar bear's toenails. But just in case you need more motivation, let's talk about the perks of being a master listener. First off, you'll become a human Wikipedia. When you actually listen to people, you learn stuff. You absorb knowledge like a sponge, soaking up interesting tidbits and useful information. You'll be the go-to person for random facts at parties, impressing everyone with your vast array of knowledge. Secondly, your relationships will level up faster than a Pokemon on steroids. When people feel heard, they feel valued. They feel like their opinions and feelings matter. And when they feel valued, they like you more. They trust you and want to be around you. Good listening skills can make you more successful at work. You'll be seen as a team player and a reliable colleague. And let's not forget the ultimate perk, inner peace. When you're really listening, you're living in the moment. You're not distracted by worries or stress, just fully present. Section 3. The Listening Challenge. Are you ready to upgrade your relationships? Alright troops, it's time for action. This isn't just a drill, it's the real deal. You've learned the why, the how, and the what of listening. You've got the tools, now let's use them. Now it's time to put it into practice. This is where the rubber meets the road. Are you ready for the ultimate listening challenge? Buckle up, Buttercup, because here we go. This is going to be intense. For the next week, I want you to be a listening ninja. Silent, observant, and sharp. Stealthy, focused, and always ready to catch those conversational curveballs. Start with small talk. It's the perfect practice ground. Instead of zoning out when your coworker talks about their cat's diet, really listen. Show genuine interest. Next, level up to more serious convos. These are the real tests of your skills. When your friend is venting about their terrible day, resist the urge to one-up them with your own horror story. Just listen and empathize. Use those listening skills we talked about. They're your secret weapons. Eye contact, paraphrasing, asking questions. These are your tools. At the end of the week, take stock. Reflect on your experiences. Did you notice any changes in your relationships? Did they improve? How did it feel to truly listen?